I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're introducing a new product. It's the Easy Speedy Zero Clearance Fence with a Harbor Freight Hercules 12-inch sliding miter saw. There will be a link to this description of this product and this saw in the description below. Here we've already installed the left fence, and we made sure we tighten these up and we're able to slide these. This saw was machined really very nicely, so they're very flush. Well, we first mounted these and we noticed that the fences didn't want to slide because they were machined very flush. So typically the upper fence sits out of the lower fence, so all we needed to do is put one layer of tape, actually in this case 2 layers of tape, on the back side of the zero clearance fence, just below the bolts and just above the bolts, to get that allowance so they would slide. Here I'll show you what we did. It was just 2 layers of tape just below the bolt holes, just above towards the top of the fence. I'll go ahead and install the right fence now to show you how easy this is to install. All the hardware that comes with the kit is included. The wrench that is necessary to tighten the bolts, the Allen wrench, comes with the kit too. We use star nuts on the back side, so you should be able just to hold it with your hands initially, and then once it snugs itself, it'll actually torque itself where you should not need a wrench on the back side. And then once it's torqued, you verify that it can be slid. We can slide it here. Now that's all that's necessary is to set whatever angle you're going to cut with, and you go ahead and you bring your zero clearance in, then back it off just a little bit, lock that in, and I'll go ahead and set my right fence. I'll do the same thing, and I'll go ahead and set that, bring it back just a little bit. You bring it back just a little bit to allow for any kind of blade walking or wobble that you might have. Now we've just installed the zero clearance fences on the Hercules 12-inch sliding miter saw. We're making it easy here at Custom Fabricating Solutions. Thank you very much.